Beryllium copper is often called an expensive metal. But is it actually expensive or simply high value? When performance, safety, and reliability matter, price alone never tells the full story. Yes, beryllium copper does cost more than standard copper or brass. That's because it's a specialized alloy, produced with precise composition, controlled processing, and strict quality standards. But higher price does not automatically mean higher expense. Beryllium copper delivers exceptional strength, excellent fatigue resistance, and outstanding elasticity. In many applications, it replaces both steel and copper, reducing the number of parts, simplifying design, and lowering overall manufacturing costs. Unlike steel, beryllium copper maintains high electrical and thermal conductivity. This rare combination makes it ideal for electrical contacts, connectors, springs, and precision electronic components, where performance cannot be compromised. Beryllium copper is built for long service life. It resists wear, corrosion, and repeated mechanical stress. That means fewer failures, less maintenance, and reduced downtime, even in demanding environments. That's why critical industries rely on beryllium copper, from aerospace and oil and gas to automotive systems and advanced electronics. When failure is not an option, this alloy delivers consistent, dependable performance.
So, is beryllium copper expensive? Yes, in terms of initial material cost. But no, when you consider its full life cycle value. Lower maintenance, longer life, and superior performance make it a smart investment. Beryllium copper isn't just a material choice. It's a commitment to quality, reliability, and engineering excellence.